Süleyman Şah, obandaki densizler şerefimizi 2 paralık ettiler.
Süleyman Şah, obandaki densizler şerefimizi 2 paralık ettiler. Meaning of the sentence is Süleyman Şah. Now Shah is given a lakab or like a nickname given to a ruler. So this is his name, Süleyman, and his position is Shah. Obandaki densizler. Densizler means incompetent. So he's talking about the people who are not that good. Incompetent people. Obandaki, in your tribe. So oba means tribe. Oban, your tribe. Obandaki, those who are in your tribe. Şerefimizi 2 paralık ettiler. Meaning of this sentence is that they have ruined our honor. Now let me explain each word alone because it will differ a little bit. Şerefimizi means our honor, means for we. 2 paralık. Now here 2 we know it's number 2. Paralık from the word para. Ettiler, okay, this is a helping verb, but the meaning, this is like a meaning, a saying. We don't translate each word alone. These 3 words mean that they lowered our worth and dignity. So they made our honor low. Süleyman Şah, obandaki densizler şerefimizi 2 paralık ettiler.
Obama yurt veren bir sultanın şerefi benim de şerefimdir Kara Toygar.
Obama yurt veren bir sultanın şerefi benim de şerefimdir. Kara Toygar. Meaning of the sentence, as you can see on the screen, the honor of a sultan who gave my tribe a homeland is my honor too. Kara Toygar. So Obama yurt veren. Veren from the word vermek, to give. Veren, the one that gives. This en gives this meaning. The one that gives. Yurt, which means home. Obama to my tribe. So the one who gave a home to my tribe. Bir sultanın şerefi. The honor of the sultan. So the honor of the sultan, bir sultanın şerefi. Benim de şerefimdir is also my honor. So benim de is also benim, mine. Şerefimdir, honor, my honor, because M is the relates to I. And the dir is used in a noun sentence and also to emphasize. Kara Toygar, the name of the person he is speaking with. Obama yurt veren bir sultanın şerefi benim de şerefimdir. Kara Toygar. If you want to receive the script of this Turkish series and the other Turkish series that I have on my channel, then you can receive them when you get your own copy of the channel's PDF files that I've talked about before, where you will receive the PDF files of the whole channel. It is a lifetime access and I will keep on adding new PDF files when you get your own copy. And of course, if you've already registered to the channel's PDF, you will find this PDF file related to the Turkish series for free. I will put the link in the description box below for more details.
Ne yapmışız da Sultan Alaaddin'in ve de komutanın şerefini 2 paralık etmişizdir.
Ne yapmışız da Sultan Alaaddin'in ve de komutanının şerefini 2 paralık etmişizdir. Meaning of this sentence is, what have we done to ruin Sultan Alaaddin's honor and his commander, which means and the honor of his commander. So the sentence is, ne yapmışız, what did we do? So ne is what, yapmışız from yapmak, to do. The mış is the reported past tense and the is refers to we. The here means in order to. Now we have the name of the Sultan and we will continue. Now when we say in order to ruin, now it's not ruin, but as we said before, 2 paralık etmek means to lower one's worth or dignity. So here I translated it as ruin, but now you understand what it means. So what did we do? And then you go to the end of the sentence. 2 paralık etmişizdir, ruin, şerefini, the honor of who? Of Sultan Alaaddin, and ve, and de means also, and also the honor of who? His commander, komutanının. Ne yapmışız da Sultan Alaaddin'in ve de komutanının şerefini 2 paralık etmişizdir.
Bu balta öldürdüğünüz adamın sırtından çıktı.
Bu balta öldürdüğünüz adamın sırtından çıktı. This axe came out from the back of the man that you killed. So bu balta means this axe öldürdüğünüz adamın sırtından. From the back, sırt. From the back of the man that you killed. From öldürmek, to kill or to murder, çıktı, came out.
Baltayı orada mı unuttun?
Unutmuşum.
Baltayı oradan mı unuttun? Unutmuşum. Did you forget the axe there? I forgot. So baltayı, the axe, orada, over there. Mı is the question. Unuttun, you forgot. And the answer was unutmuşum. I forgot, and also we use here the mush, which is the reported past tense, and it is used in several places and used a lot during conversations.
Elçi olarak gelen birliğe pusu atıp şövalyelerini katletmişsiniz.
Elçi olarak gelen birliği pusu atıp şövalyelerini katletmişsiniz. Meaning you ambushed the unit that came as an ambassador and killed their knights. So elçi olarak gelen, the comer, from gel, come, gelen the comer, the one that comes. Elçi olarak as an ambassador. So olarak here means as. Elçi is ambassador. So the ones that came as an ambassador, or maybe one here, birliği pusu atıp. Birliği here unit. So the unit that came as an ambassador, pusu atıp, from pusu atmak means ambushed, like you made a trap for them. Şövalyelerini, their knights, katletmişsiniz, you killed. So you killed their knights. Now here the up, as we spoke a lot before, up here means ve. And instead of repeating the ending of katletmişsiniz to the verb atmak, we just put up and we put the ending for the second verb only. So, elçi olarak gelen birliği pusu atıp şövalyelerini katletmişsiniz.
Bununla da yetinmeyip birliğin sultana getirdiği 3 mahkumu kaçırmışsınız.
Bununla da yetinmeyip birliğin sultana getirdiği 3 mahkumu kaçırmışsınız. That wasn't enough. You've kidnapped the 3 prisoners that the unit brought to the sultan. Bununla da, which means in addition to that. So he said that you killed the knights, and also what did you do? Yetinmeyip, here it means yetinmek, to be enough. But here it's the negative, so that wasn't enough. Also with what you did before, you've kidnapped. So birliğin sultana getirdiği 3 mahkumu kaçırmışsınız. Kaçırmışsınız, you kidnapped. Who? 3 mahkumu, which means the 3 prisoners. Birliğin sultana getirdiği, the one that the unit, birliğin, the one that the unit was bringing to the sultan.
Bu esirleri geri verin.
Bu esirleri geri verin. Give these captives back. So bu esirleri, these captives, ler is the plural, geri vermek means give back, give them back. So geri verin, he is ordering him. Verin, and we have the I, and it's used for respect. When you want to speak with someone that you usually speak with casual way, geri ver. But when he is speaking to a şah, he said it with respect, geri verin. Bu esirleri geri verin.
Töremizi bilmez gibi konuşursun Karatoygar.
Töremizi bilmez gibi konuşursun Karatoygar. You talk, or you are talking also we can say, you are talking like you don't know our tradition. Karatoygar, töremizi, our tradition, bilmez gibi, like not knowing. So bil, no. Bilmez is the negative, not knowing, gibi, like. So you're talking like you don't know our traditions. Konuşursun, you are talking. This is the geniş zaman. Karatoygar, his name. Töremizi bilmez gibi konuşursun Karatoygar.
Obamıza gelen misafiri teslim etmeyiz. Hele ki yaralıysa.
Obamıza gelen misafiri teslim etmeyiz. Hele ki yaralıysa. We don't give the guest who comes to our tribe, especially if injured. So obamıza, to our tribe, gelen the comer. And it passed before. Misafiri means the guest. Teslim etmeyiz from teslim etmek, which means to give, to hand over. Hele ki yaralıysa, especially if injured. So hele means especially, ki to emphasize, yaralıysa if injured. And the sa here means if. Why? It's a protection letter because the sa is originally İse and we put it next to yaralı, which ends with ı. That's why we put sa, not se. Obamıza gelen misafiri teslim etmeyiz, hele ki yaralıysa.
Buraya Selçuklu Sultanını temsilen geldim.
Buraya Selçuklu Sultanını temsilen geldim. I came here representing the Selçuk Sultan. So buraya means to here. Geldim, I came. So I came here. Temsilen means representing. Who? The Selçuk Sultan. Buraya Selçuklu Sultanını temsilen geldim.
Sultanın emrine nasıl uyulursa benim de sözüme öyle
Sultanın emrine nasıl uyulursa benim de sözüme öyle uyulur. Meaning just as the Sultan's order is obeyed, my word will be obeyed too. So Sultanın emrine, the order of the Sultan, nasıl uyulursa, the way his order is obeyed. So nasıl we know means how, uyulursa is obeyed. So the translation will change a little bit. Just as the Sultan's order is obeyed, benim de sözüme. Mine also, söz means like word or saying. Mine also, öyle uyulur, will be obeyed too. Öyle means like that. Uyulur means obeyed. From uymak, uymak means obey, follow or comply. Sultanın emrine nasıl uyulursa benim de sözüme öyle uyulur.
Aksi halde neler olacağını bilirsin Süleyman Şah.
Aksi halde neler olacağını bilirsin Süleyman Şah. Otherwise, you know what will happen Süleyman Şah. So aksi halde, otherwise, the opposite. Neler olacağını, what will happen, from olmak to be, neler what will happen, bilirsin, you know, and this is the geniş zaman used over here. Sin is for the person pronoun you. Süleyman Şah, the name. Aksi halde neler olacağını bilirsin Süleyman Şah.
Biz töremizle yaşar, töremizle ölürüz Karatoygar. Biliriz ki sultan devletli adamdır.
Biz töremizle yaşar, töremizle ölürüz. Karatoygar. Biliriz ki sultan devletli adamdır. We live and die with our customs or tradition. He means Karatoygar. We know that the sultan is a man of state. Biz töremizle yaşar. We live with our customs or tradition. So we töremizle with our tradition or custom. Yaşar, live. So we live. Töremizle ölürüz. We die with our customs or traditions. Karatoygar, biliriz ki. We know that. So also key to emphasize. Biliriz, we know from bilmek to know. Biliriz, the geniş zaman. We know that the Sultan is a man of state. Of course, he means that he takes care of his state. He knows what's right and what's wrong. Biz töremizle yaşar, töremizle ölürüz Karatoygar. Biliriz ki sultan devletli adamdır. And'dır at the end to emphasize.
Ama önce Atam Oğuz'un töresi der, tahtına öyle kurulur.
Ama önce Atam Oğuz'un töresi der. Tahtına öyle kurulur. But my ancestry says Oğuz tradition first. That's how the throne is established. So ama önce, but before. Atam means ancestry. Töresi der, says, so there means says, this is from demek to say, there is the geniş zaman, töresi, tradition. Tahtına öyle kurulur, that's how the throne is established. So tahtına, throne, öyle, that's how, kurulur is established.
Töre bilmeyen adamdan sultan olmaz.
Töre bilmeyen adamdan sultan olmaz. The meaning of the sentence is a man who doesn't know the customs cannot be a sultan. Töre bilmeyen, the one that does not know the customs. Adamdan, from a man, sultan olmaz, cannot be a sultan. So, töre bilmeyen adamdan sultan olmaz.
Şey de olmaz. Adam da olmaz. Adam olmayanla da bizim işimiz olmaz.
Bey de olmaz, adam da olmaz, adam olmayanla da bizim işimiz olmaz. Meaning of this sentence, not even sir, neither a man. We have no business with those who are not men. So bey de olmaz is not also, de means also, is not also a sir or a man, same idea. Adam da olmaz is neither also a man. Adam olmayanla, those who are not men. So olmayan, those who are not. La with, da bizim işimiz olmaz. We have no business with those who are not men. Bizim işimiz, our business olmaz. There is no, the negative, but the translation will be, we have no business with those who are not men. Bey de olmaz, adam da olmaz, adam olmayanla da bizim işimiz olmaz.
Koca Selçuklu'nun bir komutan olarak bunu bilmen gerekir.
Koca Selçuklu'nun bir komutanı olarak bunu bilmen gerekir. As a commander of the Great Selçuk, which is the state, you should know this. Koca means great. Selçuklu'nun bir komutanı, a commander, komutan, a commander of the Great Selçuk olarak so as a commander of the Great Selçuk, bunu bilmen gerekir. You should know that. Bunu, this, bilmen gerekir, should know. Or you should know that.
Sana son sözümü söyledim. Hadi var git.
Sana son sözümü söyledim, hadi var git. I told you my last word, come on go. So sana to you, son, last. Söz means word or saying, the one that the word he's saying or the sentence that he is saying. Son sözümü, like my word, my saying, söyledim, I told you. Hadi var git, come on go.
Sana edebimizle sorduk Süleyman Şah.
Sana edebimizle sorduk Süleyman Şah. We asked you with our politeness or with politeness, Süleyman Şah. Sana, to you, edebimizle with our politeness. Sorduk, from sormak to ask, sorduk, we asked Süleyman Şah, his name. Sana edebimizle sorduk Süleyman Şah.
2 gün mühletiniz var. Sen vermezsen biz gelip almasını biliriz.
2 gün mühletiniz var. Sen vermezsen biz gelip almasını biliriz. You have 2 days. If you don't give, we know how to come and get. Now I'll explain this sentence a little bit. 2 gün, 2 days, mühletiniz var. You have like notice. So he's giving them a notice period. You have 2 days. Sen vermezsen, if you don't give, and he's talking about the captives, this ver, give, vermez, doesn't give, vermezsen, this se is if, and n for the one he is speaking with, you. If you don't give, biz gelip, we will come, almasını biliriz. We know how to come and take or get. Of course, again, he's talking about the captives. Gelip, from gel, come, we use the epiquals, we have 2 verbs. Gelip, biliriz. That's why we don't, instead of saying geliriz ve biliriz, we say gelip, almasını, take or get, biliriz, we know. 2 gün mühletiniz var, sen vermezsen biz gelip almasını biliriz.